Your first AI-built app in 3 steps. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build your first app using AI. No coding experience needed. Step 1. Open an AI coding tool. You have several free options. Cursor is a code editor with AI built in. Replit lets you code in your browser. V0 generates UI components from descriptions. Pick one and create a free account. That takes about 2 minutes. Step 2. Describe what you want in plain English. Be specific. Instead of saying build me an app, say build me a to-do list with categories, due dates, a dark mode toggle, and the ability to mark items as complete. The more detail you provide, the better the result. Think of it like giving instructions to a very fast, very literal assistant. Step 3. Click Generate, Review, and Ship. The AI will create your entire application. Review what it built. If something isn't right, tell the AI. Make the buttons bigger. Change the color scheme to blue. Add a search bar. Each iteration takes seconds. When you're happy with it, deploy. Vercel, Netlify, or Replit all offer free hosting. That's it. 3 steps. 5 minutes to your first working app. The barrier to entry for building software just went to 0. More at Endofcoding.